Hey George, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just waiting for the train that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's taking a real long time, Dad.
It's a really nice hat you've got on.
Thank you. It's a teddy bear, Dad. And he got it an eye patch on. He's a pirate.
Yeah? Can you speak pirate?
I don't think so.
No? Why don't you try it?
Or Dad. Mateys. Yeah, I'm the pirate. Yo ho, a pirate life for me, Dad.
That's pretty good.
Thank you.
You look really nice in your jacket and your hat.
What?
I said you look nice in your jacket and your hat.
Oh, thank you. That's real nice of you, thank you.
You humoring me, George?
Yeah, that.
Well,
Well, it was a long day today. I was busting my butt all day.
yeah?
Yeah, that was real long. Real sucked it.
Oh boy, you hungry?
Oh my god, I'm real hungry. I could eat a T-bone steak then.
T-bone steak?
Yeah, good grief.
Well, maybe if you're good, you get a T-bone steak.
That'd be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
All to myself?
Yeah?
No Sharon?
No.
Alright then. I'm on to you, modded. There are the train dates and car that's going around.
Yeah, I know. Why don't you say goodbye now?
Oh, Roddy.